Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and this is the June 2020 giveaway on the Sandpaper Road YouTube channel. I am so excited to show you everything in the giveaway. One lucky person is going to receive everything that is here. Everything, all in one shot. So I'm going to open up all the stuff and show you what comes in the giveaway. Okay, and I'll start with this is the whole paper collection, Lavender Hills by Craft O'Clock, and it is absolutely beautiful. Let's see, I'm just going to open this up and show you what's inside. So, on the back of the packaging, you get, this is on the back of the packaging, and you get a set of cut-aparts, perfect size for scrapbooking or card making. Okay, and let me get that out of the way. And then you have your paper collection. Look at this. Double-sided. Oh my goodness. Can you just imagine this is great for your, look at that. Just beautiful. Great for scrapbook layouts, cards, mini albums. And then one of the pages inside comes with cut aparts. It's got a full size pattern paper on one side and then the cut aparts on the other. And this is great if you're a card maker, or even if you're not a card maker, this is a great start. You know, that you could put cards or even journaling areas, things like that. Okay, so that is the 12 by 12 collection. Then we have we'll do the quotes next. Isn't this exciting? I love doing giveaways so much. I just started doing them. I'm not sure how regularly I'm going to do them, but you know, Craft O'Clock is very generous with their products. So, okay, on the back of the packaging of these, this is 16 quotes that come here, and on the back is just a lavender strip, so you can use that. Now, the quotes do come English on one side and then Polish on the other because it is a Polish-based company. Okay, so what I'll do, I think, to make your life a little easier is hold them about here and then so that you can see what the quotes are. Okay, and these would be great for cards, scrapbook pages, mini albums, just all kinds of whatever your paper crafting go-to is. A lot of people responded last month with the May giveaway, and there's a really nice variety of things that that people are into. I was happy to see that. Okay, so those are the quotes there. And then we'll get these out of the way and look at the 8 by 8 and the 6 by 6 packs here. And I show you the 12 by 12 so that you can get a feel of what the whole collection looks like. These are scaled size down. Now the 8 by 8 comes with 18 sheets, double-sided. Okay. And on the back of the cover sheet, the packaging is that purple polka dot. I love that. And you get 3 sheets of that. That's nice. This is really the perfect size for, well, obviously your 8 by 8 scrapbook albums, but your mini albums, this is really great to make your base album and then use this in your mini album. Isn't this outstanding? Can you just imagine the possibilities? Look at that. Look at that lavender. The lavender in my flower garden is just starting to come up. So I thought this would be a perfect giveaway. Look at that. And on the back, that's nice. This is a nice pattern, that checkered pattern there. Very, very nice. Okay. Now the 6 by 6 is I'll scale down a little bit, and this you get 18 sheets as well. On the back you have some things you can cut out, scaled down small. Oh, I just love this. I really do. Look at that. Now I make a really nice cardstock mini album that it's really, really quick, and it uses up one whole 6x6 paper pad. I should make one. Just because I like this paper. It's so nice. Oh, look, the 6x6 comes with wreaths too. See, they are a little bit different. Yep, on the back of that. And then this has some cut aparts as well. Smaller scale. Oh, neat. Two different, slightly two different varieties here of these cut aparts. I'm so glad they include cut aparts in with the 6x6. And then even different ones. So nice. Yeah, it's definitely worth having all of the different ones. Okay, now also the winner of the giveaway is also going to get, in addition to that, this is quotes in frames. And again, English on one side and Polish on the other. Let me just open this up. I might have to rip that. Yeah, I'm going to have to rip that. And these you would fussy cut out, meaning just you cut them out with scissors. Although I'm sure if you have a some kind of a scan and cut machine, it would probably try to do that. What do we have in here? Two? Oh, we have three. We have 3 strips. Okay. And here are your quotes in frames. That would be perfect for card making. Oh my gosh. Perfect for card making. Perfect for, these are perfect. Well, but that good for scrapbooking too. Yeah, really, really, really nice. On the back is the same thing, but they are in Polish. And then the winner will also get this pack of die cuts. Now, I will open them up just to show you, but you can kind of see they're already pre-cut in the package, and they come out very easily. I'll open it up and just show you this one that's loose. Okay. So they're coordinating, they're already punched out, they're single-sided. And then here's I don't want to get you in the glare here, but here's a quick look at all of the die cuts. Okay, that come with the giveaway. Look at the bike. And also in the giveaway, wait until you see the sheet of extras to cut. Okay, this is the final thing that comes in the giveaway. Look at this. This is a 12 by 12 sheet, and it's 250 GSM. It's nice, heavy weight cardstock. And you fussy cut these out with scissors. And I know sometimes, sometimes people don't always like to do that, but it's not bad at all. I'm actually in the middle of fussy cutting my other sheet. I'm using a detailed scissor, and I think these are the only ones I have left, just a few, but it's really, really nice. And you just cut them out, you know, like this, and then you can use them on your projects. Look how nice the bike comes. Look at that. Can you just totally imagine that? The window. And then these things like these banners. Let's see, I'll show you. Because I've got some, like I said, I've got some already cut here. Look at the wreath. Look what happens when you cut out the wreath. And the window. I thought I had the banners. Oh yeah. So can you totally imagine like on a card with a cut apart, or even like right here with a banner and then one of those quotes just right nearby it. I mean, it's just so pretty. Your biggest time that you spend is going to be fussy cutting these images out. But that's something, you know, you could do that in front of the TV. It's kind of relaxing. But I'm going to tell you this, if you are not a fussy cutter or into it, you can always get yourself a shape die. If you have shape dies, imagine a circle die around here, a little square die, you know, or you could just cut like a basic blunt shape just around. You know, there's all kinds of possibilities. So let me tell you how to enter the giveaway. And the giveaway is going to start today, right now, as you're seeing this video. The winner is going to be announced on the Sandpaper Road Facebook page and in a YouTube post on Wednesday, June 10th, 2020. So Wednesday, June 10th. The winner is going to be chosen randomly, and then we'll have 72 hours to contact me with their address so I can ship out all these wonderful things. Now, here's how to enter to win. First of all, make sure that you're a subscriber to the Sandpaper Road YouTube channel, okay? And also make sure to like and follow the Sandpaper Road Facebook page. And the third thing is to comment below this video your feeling about fussy cutting. So some people love it, some people hate it. I want to know how you feel about fussy cutting. What things do you like to do? What things do you hate to do, if any at all? Do you find it relaxing? Just some sort of comment. How do you feel about fussy cutting? Okay, so make sure you're a YouTube channel subscriber for Sandpaper Road, and make sure you like and follow the Sandpaper Road Facebook page. And then give me your feelings about fussy cutting below this video. Make sure to leave your comment below by 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time on June 9th, 2020. And then the winner is going to be announced at noon Eastern Time, June 10th, 2020. And that will be announced on the Sandpaper Road Facebook page and on a YouTube channel post. So good luck to everybody for the June giveaway. I'm so excited. Can't wait to see your comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.